When it comes to finding the best entries and the best exits, we need to identify two things. So we need to know whether we are trading between zones, or if we are breaking and retesting a level. So if we are breaking into a new market structure or trading between levels. So if we are trading Meta, for example, this is Facebook right here, we can see that Meta was in this zone right here. This means that we are trading within a range. So we are buying at the lows here, we're breaking to the highs above here, selling, and then we can sell here, buy here, and we have this ability to trade within this range. Now, when we start to break below market structures or break above market structures, then our trades are a little bit different. So we have this level right here. And when we start to break above this level, we have a new market structure. We have new buyers that entered the market that were not there previously. So my job is to identify where my key levels are, where my major levels of demand are, my major levels of supply are, and I want to take advantage of as much of the move as I can. So we can see this is a clear area of demand right here at the 582 level. I made the color blue because this is the highest volume as well. I show you guys in my group how to find the areas that have the highest volume. So we can see we are finding support there. We break below, and then this becomes a strong area of demand. A strong area of supply or resistance. One thing that we know is every time we test a level, that level becomes weaker. So we tested this 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are approaching this level for the 5th time. So in the back of our minds, we already know that the ceiling is a little weak, that this area is a little weak. We tested this multiple times. We can see in the previous demand that we tested this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And once we start approaching for the 7th time, even for the 6th time, we know that this area is becoming weaker and weaker, and it's going to be more difficult for those buyers to continue to hold this level. And then for this side, it is the opposite. It is going to be hard for those sellers to continue rejecting this level. So if we see a break above this level with volume, we have an idea that possibly this time we can start to break above this level. Now, if I fast forward this candle, you can see that we had that breakout. So I'm going to go to a lower time frame. So if we go to a 5-minute time frame, let's go back just a little bit. Once we see that breakout above this level, and we know, hey, we rejected this level multiple times, and now we are finally breaking above, I have an idea and a belief that this time buyers are strong and they are going to rally us to the next market structure, which is up here. So this is the next area of liquidity, and we are going to move towards that area. Now we need to always protect ourselves to the downside, and I'll show you guys in the next video how I find my stop losses and my areas of take profit in a trade like this. And we can see that this trade continued to run higher. It went up to about $600 at the end, which would have been an amazing trade. We would have taken our profits up there, but I'll show you in the next video how to set our take profit, our stop losses, and manage our risk in these types of trades. Thanks for watching, guys.